Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand microwave and the screen is showing you a PF error and you're wondering what's going on, what's happened, why is it showing me this error, what do I need to do? So you're in luck, this is not a serious error. Basically what will happen is on some models, if you're actually using the microwave and then there's a power failure in the middle of it and then the power pops back on, it will come up with this PF for power failure to let you know that the power went out while it was in use. And so there's nothing really you need to do. You can just cancel out that PF. You may need to reset the clock if you had the clock set. But other than that, once you clear out this PF, you can just use your microwave as normal. So that's all there is to it. There's nothing to really know. You're in luck. This is not a serious error code. PF just stands for power failure because the power went out while you were using it. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.